Hello knitters. Today I'm going to show you how to work the purl stitch, which is very basic, just like the knit stitch, but you're kind of what I say is going backwards to do your purl stitch. So let's get started on the purl stitch. So when you're making your purl stitch, you want to start from the back, insert the needle crisscross, wrap it around, okay? You want to insert, wrap around. You just keep doing that all the way across. And as you can see, purl stitches are bumpier. All right. Purl, purl, purl. And you just keep on practicing purl. Make sure your stitches aren't too loose. Purl, in through, around, purl. Okay. Through the front, around, back, and purl. And that's how you do the purl stitch.